items that I have here are some of these pom-poms, which I actually got from the Dollarama, but they do have it at Dollar Tree. Again, my Dollarama is just really close to me, so I picked it up from there, and I'm specifically potentially going to use the pink. Then I have these leftover hearts, which are from Dollar Tree, and they do currently have them there as well. I also have these hearts here. These are made of wood, as you can probably tell, and these were from Dollar Tree. I have these really cute, they're like little envelopes that I actually got from Dollarama. These are just like for scrapbooking, that kind of stuff. Again, you guys saw this. Not sure if I'm going to use it, but I might. I am also working with this really beautiful scrapbooking paper that I have. And this scrapbooking paper you can actually get from Michael's. I got this from, I believe, the dollar store, my Dollarama. They had some really good scrapbooking Michael's type paper one year, and I grabbed it. But yeah, I'm going to be working with this because I just love the gold with the cardboard look. And then these really big hearts. I'm not using all of them, but I have these glitter hearts from the dollar store as well. And that's it. I've already started off by cutting a few things out. And other than that, sorry, that is not it. I'm also going to be using this here. So this is twine that you can get from the Dollar Tree. They do have it. This is not from the Dollar Tree because I already had it on hand, and it's Ashland, which is from Michael's. So I just try to use what I have on hand. I didn't need to buy any, so I didn't. And that's pretty much it. So we'll see how it works out. But just at the end of the day, so you guys have an idea of what I'm going for here, is a fireplace type of like garland. So I'm going to be working with these, which I've already gone ahead and cut out, just so I can kind of make the image in my head of what I'm looking for. These were really easy to do. So all I did was cut out rectangles, and I literally folded these in half and cut with my scissors. That was it. Super easy to make these flags. All right, so let's go ahead and see if I could turn this into something. Alright guys, so for the final stage of this DIY, you're probably noticing a different background. I had to switch locations where these were located, and I just decided to finish up here. So what the process looks like now is putting holes into these flags and then stringing through the rope that I'm using. And then I'm gonna glue some of these pom-poms onto the rope. I'm not gonna be recording that entire process just because, like I said, I'm in a different location and I just don't have the setup here, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like once I am done.
Standing in the street alone.